guy 10 years to get to a point where he can share something with another guy that a woman will talk to another woman they just met in line to the bathroom. That's just, whatever reason, that's how we work. But gals, you typically will be getting together with other gals, and the other gals will be talking about, oh, my husband did this, and rah, 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 rah. Oh, my husband, rah, 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 rah. And here's what you can do. Rather than listening to that, you could say something like, well, my husband isn't perfect, but we're choosing to be happily ever after. And you instantly can shift the tone of that conversation. You may get some looks, but some other people will be like, oh, really? Well, tell us how you're doing that. You can say, yeah, well, we got this instant marriage makeover course we're looking at. And you can just tell about the things that you're learning. It's not like I'm perfect at it. It's just, hey, we're choosing something different. And just by interjecting that can tremendously shift that narrative. Or you can just choose to walk away. You can do that too.